Modern color grading relies on clean tonal direction and subtle contrast shaping that feels intentional rather than overprocessed. How to design modern color grades. Launch Photoshop and place your image into a document about 2,000 pixels wide, converting it into a smart object for non-destructive editing. Start with a levels adjustment layer to correct exposure and establish a balanced tonal foundation. Add a color balance adjustment and refine shadows, midtones, and highlights with small shifts so the palette feels contemporary and cohesive. Introduce a gradient map